COE-GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, Exercise number 8B, NumPy. What is NumPy? NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It has functions for working in the domain of linear algebra, fourier transform and matrices. It is an open source project. You can use it freely. Let's see the lab program. Exercise number 8B, implementing program using NumPy package. Aim to write a Python program using NumPy package. Algorithm. Step 1, install NumPy package and check the version. Step 2, keyword import is used to get the NumPy package. Step 3, list is created. Step 4, list values stored in X variable. Step 5, print the values in array format. Then stop the program. First, after installing the NumPy, you can get that by using a keyword import NumPy. Once it is installed, you can import your application by adding the import keyword. That is important. So import keyword is important to add that NumPy package. Next, variable arr, which is equal to numpy.array of. You can get the output in the array format. For that we are using the NumPy. So array of, inside that value is passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then print arr. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see this in the execution part in Python. In the description box I have given the link how to install NumPy. You can refer that link. After install NumPy, go to the start, type cmd command prompt. The black window will be opened. Here you can check the version of the Python. p1 -- version, enter. The Python version is 3.10.2. Then you can type Python. You will enter into the Python. The next import keyword is used to import the NumPy. Enter. Variable is equal to numpy dot array of. Then you can close that, then enter, then print, call that variable arr, then enter. You got the output. This is output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the array format you will get the output. I hope you all understood the concept of NumPy and how to execute the program in the command prompt. Result: thus the Python program using NumPy package was written and executed successfully. You can try these program by installing the NumPy and you can execute and see it. Thank you.